But that would make it unlimited, right? The amount of
information
signatures that you have, information
It is
that you
unlimited. It is unlimited. It's always unlimited.
How do you then discriminate and say, well, this is the information I need versus this I don't need?
Well, it depending what a person will come to us. Let's say a person comes to me and says, well, I'm feeling always tired, I'm feeling urinary issues, I'm feeling this, then we concentrate on those areas. But we usually like to scan the full body. Let's say all the major organs like the brain, the heart, the thymus, and then find out what the problem is coming for. And then whenever we see an energetic weakness in a particular area, then we start opening and concentrating on that particular area. And then we also, having the frequency of the pathomorphology of something not functioning properly, we could invert that frequency, send it back directly to the head, and send a slight correction, sort of like an acupuncturist. So what the acupuncturist does is stimulate one particular nerve, knowing which nerve to stimulate, and then that nerve starts to correct the rest of the body. Similarly with this, instead of putting needles into the body, we can send signals, sort of like a remote control signal to the brain.
But that's what the needles do also, they send signals, right?
Exactly.
Except you use a different medium to send the signal in this case.
Absolutely. So in this particular case, we send the signal directly through the brain to every single cell structure in our organism.
I think it also brings out the importance of the brain in every single form of disease or any single form of
I think everything starts from our brain, but everything we're going to go backwards, it starts with energy. That's why when people ask, what is energy? The energy is the beginning of everything, even in our cellular body. If there was be no energy, we won't be able to rebuild ourselves. So energy means informationally, we need to give the energy proper information for our cell structures to start functioning properly.